I'm sliding around in the seat.
Yeah,
It's fucking crazy. Oh, we are gonna catch the I-4 like holy shit. Come on, I-4. Come on, I-4.
Okay, so.
C4, so good job. Empty. Let's see. Full gas pedal here. Full gas pedal. Let's see it.
Yeah.
C4 pits.
Oh, I-4, you're killing me.
So one more round?
No, we're in another pits after this.
Okay. Oh, slow.
M2.
Yeah, we're good.
M2 pits. I4 pits. And M5.
M5 pits. So.
Roger that.
Okay.
To the last car. You have not.
Damn.
Yeah, you slide around in the seat like holy shit.
Yeah, it really slides around a lot.
Yep.
I4, go.
So here, flat out, brakes.
M5, go.
So here,
Oh, the brake sucks.
you turn in.
Yep.
We're here in the top half of the turn. Now you apply power because it actually gives you traction. Oh god, that swung wide. So here, you lift, you apply. Go straight. Brake as I come in.
Okay.
Apply power as I come out because it gives you traction. Here, smooth on a long late apex. Here you lift. Here you press. Flat out.
Slow.
Brakes. Turn in, you lift. I'm off the accelerator. You come in, you turn. I was a little early. Turn in, you apply power. You lift.
Yep.
You apply power.
The car's sliding.
A little bit.
Yeah.
A little bit of brakes.
Yep.
Come in and apply. We caught the M2.
Wow.
Well, they caught the Z4 is the problem.
So everybody slows
but
down.
even slower here, right? So here you've lifted power. You dive towards the cone.
Okay.
Here you apply power.
Okay. Well, we gotta slow because that Z4 is slowing down.
And then
Whoa.
you brake.
Drivers
I got
and
you.
Z4.
So lift.
Lift.
So lift.
M2 pits.
Come around.
I4 to the pits.
Roger that.
Okay.
M5.
Apply power. It gives you traction.
Okay.
The top half
Okay.
you lift.
The pit. We're going
Yep.
back.
Right?
Yep.
So
As you saw, I learned all of your speed.
lift, apply.
And we
Lift,
ended
apply.
up
Lift,
basically
apply.
the same gap to each other at the end. That comes from experience.
Okay.
Alright, so now going to follow me back in.
Okay.
Hold on just a minute.
No worries. No worries.
I know, we both done it at the same time. Awesome. Our first obstacle is a river crossing, and you can pour water up to the top of the wheels of the X3, but you should always do so at a nice, slow walking pace, not to put water into the engine and ruin it. The great thing about the X models, with the torque, they'll pretty much pull themselves through. So in other words, most of the time, you don't even need to touch the gas pedal. You can just ride the brake to check the speed. We'll go through as a group, just allow a couple inches between you and the car in front of you. And remember, whether you're driving off-road or on-road, always look where you want to
Give
go
him a little
next.
space. Give him a little space. He's a couple of lengths.
Like that?
Yeah, a couple of car lengths.
Couple of car lengths.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
Splashy, splashy.
You said don't even put gas.
Yep.
Just let it ride.
So far, I haven't touched the gas pedal at all.
I haven't either.